Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view Master Job Profitability with outstanding report in Fresa Application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa Application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Job Reports Accounts menu under the Accounts module. On this page, we have to select the Master Job Profitability with Outstanding menu. Now, the Master Job Profitability with Outstanding page details will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the Submit button. Now, the report will be displayed on the screen with the outstanding details. Here, we have to click on the Options menu. Then we have to click on the Download button to download this report. This is how to view Master Job Profitability with outstanding report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.